Hello, Martin Baker here. I'm over in Haywards, Heath in West Sussex, really local to our factory and show centre. I'm really proud to show you this little garden office, which is one of the buildings that we designed in the March lockdown for the market that we could see coming of people needing buildings quickly. And with a design that this is going to be an office that we can get to you in around 6 weeks' time. And this particular client isn't using it as an office at all, but it has given them the extra space, and it is because of lockdown that they've decided to move forwards with this building. So the building itself is 2.5 meters wide and 1.9 deep. It's the smallest of a selection of 6. We've got no timber on this building, cement all to the sides and back, MTX cladding and fascias, EPDM roof with the UPVC door and window. This building comes with a 10-year guarantee and a 50-year life expectancy. All of the virtues of our larger buildings just in this small compact building. And let's see what they've done with this tiny space. Remember, this is just an old school 8x6 in feet. They're using it as a gym whilst the gym is closed down. They've got the water bottles set up there, heater at the back, even room for a plant, along with a cycling machine and a running machine there. With the EPDM roof, that does just about work with the heights. You get about 2.2 meters inside. Got the panel light there, as you can see, external lights, electric sockets, internet in there, everything set up ready to go. And it's just a building I am so proud of. So these buildings, like I say, are all items of stock. So we haven't actually got the buildings made, but we've got all the items in stock ready to go. Same windows, same doors. You can choose the door left or right, and there's 6 sizes to choose from, and this is the smallest of them. If this kind of garden building is of interest to you, if you need an office or an extra space quickly, then this could be the perfect solution for you. Offering in 3 service levels of bronze, silver, gold. This one being the gold service level with the painting, finishing inside and out. Bronze being like a delivery only with like an assistance on the install. Keep up to date with our website on our new service levels on these buildings, and give us a call or keep up to date with our socials and spread the word about these amazing buildings that we're producing now, ready to go. We can turn around in super quick time. Thank you.